see na poso ebremo newspapers ni nyina ye krado adukumi atnase bansa na no mamenko kasoa na ye hyembo se ene ye ba ye ne awala busuafo bebre na edi enkomo ba police fo ewu enra no eye mienu ba kono eye sergeant Jamesi yen reporter Kofi eje akwa kopi ono so busuafie Kofi hello
Obi.
Aha, Kofi.
Yeah, Obi, me don't go.
Good. Enti ho abusuafie what is saying?
Always see the same song. No dada na no bia ya moto. Ya we ho ani jajo na wa mi sei. Na edu de ni braba wa ha sei hwe sanje ma sifia. Sabe kakra ofi. Enye se enti no ani braba pa ni ni nyama no ani ni nyama ma no ni nyama no ka police officers. Out de ni braba. Titanu yani oba nti komo na be yani ni yaru sa kan nti komo say omo de ni braba wo say Ghana police service mo nye we no enkofo no ba bi omo bia na o maka bia omo nti omo nyina asiti we de ye mo achi mo akoma de ba de
yeah
excellent I think no about it Obi,
kasa ne ma say obi foforo ho
yeah
about saying mutin saying on gonna fire
and no ye wo fie wie mu na ye frɛ say ye kunu no ma na omukosia aka bi no kuta say mo kan say DB number and almost stop omo no stop omo na omutu car no. That's what you can say. I didn't boni bi anasa bibi boni bi seka munti. Omu di omachi, ntomu di omachi na mkochi omo no. And according to we no report to say, guy no ba ko say ni yi ade o ka ni mu aba. Enti ade no oyi ne je say yetuo. And no shoot police ni ba ko na wa no. Enti after no and no shoot me Mrs. Kunu no. Enti o di mojasia no eye so o dwane. Jojani ya no koto obi provision shop mu ana akwa no to an wo ho no mu e do osa koku wo according to sources no guy no fire no table aden boni be no waye
you said no mo
se si ade ne ye kan se me no na me sale me kan no elia no IGP impenifo mo baaye e be maye ya akoni ade Nye abanya na kufuado na adodan kwa kufuado me president nya me sre ne say onye ema yen Ghana for ne say I'm robbery no asem no aye too much aye dodo I believe say within a month ni no police for 5 nkwa na yeku omo why must it be so aye too much and no IGP ni mpani for omo try say sankofo no muku yeku jamashi no any awal no ombe chop omo down na emra any omadi sani emra ne se and then second you have something to say budumbu am hono mono e hono o ma have a lot of criminals e was budumbu am hono mono and nya ban ni be yes say library for no be mo nya ko mu kromo omo mo ko Nigeria for no se Ghana hano mono na do dan kwa kufodo mamu nya se na ECOWAS omo die wo ha yema yim ye wo mu Roberts wo ha die yan ka se Ghana am Roberts but ne to say Nigeria for no mahano, no armed robbery cases, no need to say. And to be fair, again, I buy say Nigeria for no be Ghana Hanamono, Yankum, Nagani, Huntoying, because I'm a power sorry, me quite Jumaba, Wama. Okutaba says 6 and after 5. Because only Mrs. Our mum, you know, only a binimuso of Mabaku, a bimum, you know, say, I'm not say, and run on mobile. Yes, the police be back officer and also on any animal. Everything I will and they are not any moment from now. It's all one mother brave. What just on me go on more. Wow. I dare just am cranny.
No fine.
Madam, I can't say, Miss Jenna. Oh, my penny, oh, my one way, not one who is you. ọma otu no mo pa depend wo ho na so wo kitatuo bia anka menyi ni sa ko mbetumi aye ne nyado asa yes now I'm mindful so yes wo so bibi ni aya mema ne ayi wo mo so wo hye no mo obi a obre o tutumlika nyina obi a so ni mu no nyo obi a so nyo obi so ni mu ana so kitatuo anka dia wo mo ye ni ko mo nye nti wo so wo mo ma wotuo ezo wo mo so bo ban ni bi mestre ni ameka no
sister let go fire
but they say me need the America bia because I have already my big casa but the America me say Ghana hana ye what say no Nigeria for the titulu because enra kwa na akonfo no suspect for me no mo chomba police station no na ye claim so mo ye Nigeria for adenti ye TMM mu na ye ba mo for mo ba ye ho ban mo no Nigeria for so mo kro ebe kunkum mo Ghana hana mo they say yanka say tie kwa enyi save yet if you cry for Nigeria for nti ya ka tie tie kwa enyi save adenti na what say banita ade we ye si we sa troenche mo emi hu bi da na eburu ma gen so nti me sra mo pa aban fa ne nansi fo mo pa ya ka say e bia ma hoho makura mu but say that mo ye na ya ne ye save wo ye ma mu de we otu ko Nigeria ko di sa kwata se mo e sei so ye Ghana ni na wa fa nwadi ade ne ye de bibia na ye sa hoho so wo kuro mu anum na ye ho kire ye sa ye pa ban chopa oba ne nansi fo pa because ye tie ma mu o se nya asudie
more fire Obi more fire
Kofi AJ
Obi
aha enti ba ma ebusuafo ne so ente se yes we understand yaw na omuwo mu no ba so far one police for nsa so wo mu no wetimi aye background checks kakra nipa miensa no eye hwan mu a munim won in the area
Obi ya hwemu a investigate kakra a tese emrante ne emrante bia omo ye komo a omo wo area ho a omo ba around omo te budumbra mo a estate bi American estate bi ono ho no mo nya nti omo ye area guys amamfo nimom and on the Ghana dey as guys na abba Ghana tourist guys here omo kutaka omo mu obi a ma yo mutu restaurant omo they just that first guys be na omo ye common omo ba police station or police won't be cry omo na mo for omo ba police station one mu na and as they are common and they are well known and also binimu and rasta na no we say gonna be some months ago omo che no no so omo che no about crime ya bi some criminal act am na 2 years 2 years ni kuta no am omo je say to no lipa na to no dey adi to no ma rasta no de koye movement bi am omo che no omo che to no and obi according to source from the police say when be free Accra high court say to no license giant omo release to no money pa no na Kaswa division because we release to no at the man it say to you omo release the man no ana ni para this to na kokodi ewu nti o hwe omo record as omo kuta ta record na omo ye secretary angaza because o hwe omo attitude no omo ye bia na how do bia ni say we mu de and I make medical cano uko 18 wa gap 18 wa e kra ka se isuru batiwen de leka enye ize bedu a obi unti fa dia wa no ubedu no ya gede ya CV ya sin campaign ya nu ko ten ya everything bibi omo ya bi bibi abi omo ya bi onum come on ba o hwe te ye chomo mgo nyina ni screen omo nyina obi enu ametia ka se wonko bebre na ai ex-convict oma ko jail aba obi ko jail bi 10 years 15 years 20 years the minimum will be one ko my granny be about 2 years we now be na kwa ba do na ex-convict for but Ghana ne wono Ghana dia enti man na ato no do na ebi ba ko om gra ba ko rasta man no say white o mu tell wonu ka ko jail aba enti police for nim say
na sisi a omache mrantie ne sen
na o manya nje say omache mu enum no miensa ana o me ki once a key suspect o mu but the mu kakra ya sa ya kire say aduna ka sa na me di kaka o hwes na no nyina as obi na smart yen goku ni passment enti ni pa na the prime suspect ni pa na kasa o te kire no de enu na o mu che say oyagudu che say ono no police bank gather intelligence ne part but first information nya just ni pa no kai boys ni wala pa ni pa na osmo am ko side no no twa am la pa nti o hwe bia incident ni sie na isi obodo muram but the car no ko dan ne ho esa by drive all the way from Kaswa highway be far bypass e do machine o nyenya no kwan so bypass e for be to boot no e ti ka mu hia nipa no la pass na am the contract no the sikasemo de no o tun do ma kwaje e ti be bia incident is en ka mbetumi drive agane afa e so ya de mu gane a agometumi agane afa ho no mu akosi area afa akọ to body
ba so far nipa 5 ndi o mu nyina ye Ghana for on
and the entity for now police boy amuntini am identity whether but e be do na Ghana but so like information just a foreigner but it's the police for na but say we are foreigner we are Ghana ni but foreigner no foreigners for na ben ya mu na ba ma Ghana for and because no all things obi maybe obi kuma na obi kwa ba unim area no
unim ma memfa unsi ha mesan so aba wo hobie in due course ba yanya odikura wo budumburam e wa homa ne so on ye be se ne di nkomonti sometime later on the show be se aba wo hobie Kofi Agye ne ye ten nka no me yenko ne ye ne Nana Kwadwo Esel otoso mienu odikuro a wo budumburam Nana Kwadwo Esel ye mo akwa aba Dwaso Nsem so ni
some for this one and change the sentence no we are no wa for no you akasa
oh sir okay inti would wait say Nana ene nsem trofo ni wi ani ene no edi enkomenti ye beto aso de naposo abremo and we throw out so many issues. One, how are you police for ya equip one with the necessary equipment near the omu here to work and work well, and the artist police for answer over 4,000 your friend is saying bulletproof vest a ombeche ediama police for and no one two so say ye nim said this particular area criminals and eteho na ya nhwehaya na omoto growing in number by the day no so ya ade was ye hwe na yetimedi ho enkomo edukum yakwa aba na sen
obi enye boko na so eja empanyine se ebone kura yikuram etianya aba ne de ne aba se di tie bia papa mu boni mu ya na ebeka ho asem ye dwuma no nti no ene ye beka na obeka ya 2017 minim se that time na ha me beka se bi ha ye koye course bi ye ba ya me beka asem we se enhwemu twese Ghana a movie from a stable peaceful country to a relatively unstable peaceful country what you say na se kan na Ghana ye wasumdwia e stable et se so eta hodin obi antimi nya ne hwe na mo masumdwia ne se e ho de nanso e
shake kakra
etie de ne se no ma ma ne hihim no e wo se etutu frame se de be ya ebetimi agina din ti se de ne yete no Nigeria a movie from unstable peaceful country eco crisis eti na obehu Boko Haram eni ni nuanom se omo kidnappings ne ade ho no eti se ode no magu nsane ani a Ghana mpanyufo nim de wo se ye one ye ofiana now deputy defense minister major retired Kodo that time no a deputy ranking member in parliament defense and interior obeka say manual e di train police for no 1965 manual mekai
and also quite 6 months training
manual ya change no yes amasa left hand right hand now the world is moving now security movie called intelligence gathering. When was the last time I say yes kaswa armed robbers Millennium City kaswa budumburam ye kumobi ye tutuo etutrafo akoguo ne ye when ye cry attention ye security for yet de bia ye kan news aye kan ina kaswa ina Millennium City ina krofo obo mo ina Millennium City ina yase akobo bi tuo ina budumburam ina yase criminals go say empanyfo ni to omonte eju omunim wow police in change but yansesa ye be ya ma police for na fe beduru ba bi no obebie forms ato se opese police ni abra obi anko na why na be kwase anko ni ekobo ni tu obi anko ene ye kan ye bi mu de ye ni bre kwaso nkrofo so na Ghana de hye ni na bi free ha na ba ye se ansa hoho betwa de hye mpoa no na manini na ache no enkrofo no from krom ba say Nigeria say Burkina say Niger say Chad say Mali say Faba enya Ghana fo fie no betra
edukumi meba me ato aso obo ade enso atena senti mame nko na Nana Kwadwo Esel otoso mienu di kro obudumboram nana yemo akwa aba Dwaso Nsem so ne wa Adom FM
Yeah, Ejo Miura.
Nampocho apom to then.
Papa B, oye, yes, I'm Adoruma.
Me did there, my way see at police way bien. Nipa bone for abo when they truly come on. Ata.
Mat, papa, neither so, Moko, Koyam Pen, Koshum, Koyam Pensapensim, Moko Vina.
About no cordo.
Neda, your call farm, yeah, by 3:30 now, it's some now, Moko scene one. Next day, as if one coffin, I would do a chin. I walk to her now, was stop on a Wijinan. I wonder when you back, I would ask them. I'm rather see Moon what they have to go. My police in Kurukano, the Mika, Oko will be containing ma, Chodo Jan, or two, or the merchants or two, no problem through by two, containing, and see, a monada or Tunano. I said,
Naturally, you know, what boy wants
to to me, I, a Juma, such as a mammy called to me, Juma.
What boy wants to powder or pedal on, Ewa.
Well, we need a wokum, who told you to wokum, Cheddar Washer. There will be a so I will move worker there, Cheddar, either, but can I weep a bit by us no, and to know, and some more of them. Myself, Nabre, will you can say, bottom, no, nice offense room. And now, me too, my friend pay for police father, nay, as walk. There's walker. Winibam mortuary. Manka sama tanaka, my son saw her come as one back young webusafu. Kwan wokum, will be a walk on the car. If you are what ban Weboku Africanco, Almato, and Morocco, Gabunalo, what Campunu, Gabuno, also abandoning for what clever, besides that one, what the refugees will want any for authority or what, or they are the pet, Yadi, Bibi or Blah, Yaba Famanity. Now, so what the year, we know what the year, says our refugees, but don't know. And then a Funanka, some robbers, you beg your alpha. I have been you be our home, Babia. And so, oh, when the Hawk and the person who have got some cover, you could see. And see, Marco Nodos, yes, Rabbi. And me, Bamboo folk from Punawook, Naye, and see a Sabine, Omra, not on my finance war, no, my soldier for night, will make you one kind of man and go in and you.
Now, but young fan one by one. Essay gap be war Budumburam refugee camp na awo asodi krono utumi nonduro because of a refugee camp in tanka refugees neko in tabanya then unclear camp ni fiwa.
Yes sir, also clear.
Na say refugees ne binum da so ho ana when you na
refugees funa nkasa no who are wada one obi also wa locate one also ma one baby even at all refugees funa pa one krapon the more am robesi work clear wo tu wa kwase dan enti wa do na ye am robesi nkasa no wetin o dan enti mase abanyomra na ma okodun na no yinyam.
Okay, it is here our proposal ne there refugee camp na owo ho no yen clear on our friend gap no
yeah
yen clear mfi ho na our enya control over assassin nyina mo bo a
oh nyemi per se what clear even at aban pobotu de kwa aye bibia o don fa so ba magana o man yamunkumi yedi na o da me hwe ga na o man nyina na yedi.
It is here say maba gap na Erica na abazi na mehu e hot then
yo tele ba wa o de bia ba ye ayimi ba sisu ko go yin se botuma fa wa wa da ma bo won po ne bugwan obi o wa hunu kura wa bugwan wa na bugwan yo bi na obaka to de gwan
nzema today then nana boyen mu kakra
and really na tramon na do kena tia wa twitwa wo ho no wa yima na nama wo ye wo ho no wa ni tum enter
Jim FM
ni tum nko onya de botuma ko kura woni wontum nko wonya vim fa nko serious
oye baby police phone na security phone wa ya aware there bibi dey wo ho
police funeral wo na nka se pobi o akwa report wo ho ma na nko ntum nko bisa ho wo ye duro ni tunu na no nanso o du baby putum ontum nko akwa obokun one lawson see why you be what would the why nanso oh ontum
ante ho no se meba ho ewia bra still amahu de mad na no ya na jonkoten
ko wa na popia ko no wa so fo mi kwahwe wa bu mo ko do see na asema be no wa botoboto na no po na chere wonyai wa e kamufla wa si hwara bu hu we kira asem Well, I'm need to go. And police fuko. Na the one would the moon when you walk. And yes, I there one cast upon ya. What's over battle?
My Eric Kane on your Liberian refugees in Hawaii, the Mad Ghana.
The refugees from your side and Ghana fully mammo be no moon can come and Robertson. No, that mammo be Papa and Wabu. And Robertson now, Wapam Kumasi, Nadina. Long got the fully, what got to know. Then I got the fully, what got to know.
Hey.
Brana Boshe, what to wow was father with the motu. I send me over to go about football and wobble plan and some about. Oh, but with the motu. What I said, no, Nancy, pictures of Ghana refugees camp or doctors and quite pictures. One work on and one wants to come pictures who small. And see, Yaham Kunaboshim or also wife will not JG.
And so
America, I come ye.
And say, what come one. One able to have you on Tawana or they could see one. I
mean, I'm so mean, so be so be our camp on there. Be supposed to that. Or be what I know, say. No, sir, the mom is saying, man, I'm going to come and go say, Matadaka, be so police.
Hey, so
what you can ask you to come walk to not you been friends war. It's supposed to why our police will go on. It's over from. What Boko, or you mentioned, Moria, I know, fool, no, I wasn't about no car, no coffee, no banana, no I can work with you. The Mokan, on I am Amaka, many a bush and fufu. I think.
What you shall be Sir Kotokuma?
What you police station where Boko will report more. Chicho Bishop Kotokum. What would you come to Kotoku? Watch a channel, Muhaga, where you are. What channel that got to baby? And see, I don't know. A small one or some, yes, Mumbai. Mamma, Mumbai.
And see, Nana, our AO Dicronumpo, and shut them feel safe for Homoba.
Papa, me, him, him, a quadra, no. Well, I will show you what run, and you shall what they know. And yes, sir, Buffalo will wire. See, yes, I am not saying I will hear them. And see, oh, but that about it. Just more. Would be a deal, be one to the have you. You put one to it. I want to talk about Bob Coon, my coolness and point. What's what to my okay? My young boy, no, I'm not for me. One make one young put to you and Mantuan, maybe 1 year. My even know I'm contacted you to the sign.
Pocho, Sir Moshe Budumburam Hunyana, police post or Hoyahin.
What is what did you do? Oh, nothing. I won't be
the whole Budumburam area.
I won't do.
In the police post or Hoya Corpe, police station Corpen or
what company?
On our company. Inti new site awaba estate na da awabe ba ho nyina no police station ye ho baby a
oh yeah you surround area the police station you ti so ko yenya no the first century hot side and son kwawa ne outbreak so also what duration I was police nti ya ha no dey one us brother one us even car kwa di adwuma kura mpo woni bi car budubu police what do you mean? When you be done another. When you car, I can't have when you car, what do you operate into? Why some your mobile? I said, I'm going to car, and I should be organizing a car. I yes, I there. When you know what couple, what would do another why a local? When you car, would go in the car. Why a mobile?
Okay, Yate, apart from refugees, our Liberia refugees, let's say, Dodona walk back. Waka kakrebi na wawo. Yate, so there, see other foreign nationals be brena, waba to estates, no, waba Nigeria, for was a binum fee, Mali, na Burkina, na or Oyanokora.
I said to me, on Kenya refugees.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no, estate na no one can cry and ya asa.
No, but say
Obey.
Oni Budumbura masase da.
Enya ya asem na refugees camp.
Oh, okay. Into refugee camp. Apart from refugee camp, no. Krona awe yo di kro wodo no. Ono nso wo refugee camp na echila.
Also do. Budumbura refugees camp so do kwai name finfin. Also do.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. And to them, influx of foreigners like aho fi other countries abano. Ono nye problem bebre ma won ewa.
Ono nye problem. So if you baby ba comport himself very well because what baba ha na dan. Onye na number what him. Asem yi won. Na wa ankasa boys na wa ankasa wa cho wa bo man him. And what did among some money o. And now Nigerians and they be Nigerians all Nigerians are wicked. No. And people are one way to I want to put a while and down in the number what him. Now, one of the boys, young guys, no one who come for if you were through. No, I am beyond one who fee. Ukuma, this hour to the mirror, no, you're and see, and one woman awarded the mobile, and you could come from my white boys, you know, wow, you guys, one shot and tank and control one was the man.
Young girls and so can.
Oh, that's how now. Or what to talk to taxi. You know, young and say, no, be more quiet to taxi. I'm be ma. What the adventure so far? No, I don't baby. No one let the scandal do qua. Or far as okay, no, I been into an Nigerian about. A Juma record why. So I'm willing. Taxis and crampon and quafuan. You need not papa. And I did not for another. Or for that, could you go baby? I'm on Maduko. Or question we are. And I didn't know what baby is can. What about that? We are very poor can walk. That's more recording.
Nana Kojo SL. The second. Yeah, that's it, Nana.
I'm some the massive degree.
Odikro, Oda Budumburam Chrono Anno Enamotene. He raises some very, very critical issues. Inti Bako NSA as a refugee camp no outliving the usefulness. Because refugees ni bebre na ako. Kakrebi na aka omumporo se head of refugees say we relocate one everyone akọ baby foforo and really camp na we host this year akwa like haven for criminals and ababiguo and is oye bibi o ma mobi ni echesi na akọhye ho nima na wakọhye
kumasi fo nyina akra
kumasi fo nyina aba ho me say da no me kai say na menam sa stretch ne so ba na traffic na ye massive and who say traffic ne chia udru baby a refugee UN ACR dan bi sina utimi wurem efa wonsa right say esan efa mu anu aba bi C triple X area ho massa area o
nema wani hu ye no
me say wurem a Jesus
na na say so wo kasa wo ba ni police mra esan sa wan kasa untimi ma right if we live in a society where bambofo nim say na hatie na so omuni control it's a bambofo control what happened yesterday no na me bisa me say police nimpo ye da helpless what about me
awesome
what you say it enya dia we ye kan ubo senche be amanyosem but this is not an issue who said ya amanyosem ye hwe ne enka said be ya we Ghana ni na upia bonte a we ya monhwehwe ne yetin kran hwe enkran you enkran the difference between kaswa and enkran how big is it the seat of government o mampanyini wa ha defense minister office wa ha interior minister office wa ha na even here amanfo so mo beda na so oda wona oda na odinani ba ku tenkura
it's sad
then na o my ben ye chiche
obade ma mintio on this issue
obane media na meteka so nti ho de na metai ko ho for reasons bia and me amitimi ko say me ko hwe mani so ade ho na niema ekoso ho no de ohene ne kan kura so de ohene ne ka ohene say no opia wiape ompia nadwo sa wo ko anadwo na wo hwe niema esisi a na ewo kwan ho so ye say setokrom wo ho na police car betwam petrol car betwam but say be yam branch eru a wo de omo branch it is how you very dangerous hwe tu ye kitan krofo mu de ku approach fo yi it before say na papa ne ka no yes say ko bubu ye bubu baabi ene ye ja baabi
okay
me hu say ko bubu
omon clear ni nyina
sa na ye ho bibi foforo kra market ko ne de si ho say de omu nya kwan anya sa nyoma no it is say adan kaka na aka no me nya so mu tua rent mo bia na refugees na wom
na omoko
ebi wa kra Ghana for na tu wom me were evidence kind of phone meeting go to was wo ya some come krom that so tie
yeah oh yeah
ya ko no abro no yi na firi ho ana ma gege ho nyina afa na se de hotie no obi a onye criminal intimate na ho onye criminal pa sasa right hand side ho ne this is criminal na betimi atena ho ana obi a we ba no ma be bebre say we dey turn petem awiakete eguapampan so se ko obi ene sisi o udu anu waje ode we die sina no kese ona ko ese ba bia be se odi bone a
no man's land
the best thing say ye fa budoza
enko club bi bia
mfi ho nyina anya na sase tam na ye fa nya bi foforo aso te fa ba ye sisi kura
ene ye kosi ba ko esi
ama ko fa ko bobo so na ye adu se de ya no be ka de ahwe ye ba se ni ye ka acha 3 days se kwa unwo bia se sia me no ka se obekọ no bia ni ho 3 days later obekọ no de obekọ no bia boka no pi de oto ni wi ha
Jim FM
man say koso nti de be bo aban na se onfa emra no ne dia eho sabi ayen crofo asa ba nya obi asa de che se ye twama refugees na refugees ne ko won ko bu ni nyina tungu wodi so kan crofo mo we criminal some tons asa no they saw the lands there kusu tons asa no omo se sia ya no twa bia ma we are
not na ni kire mu a because aban be gide ye refugee camp traditionally no money control
no so the criminals are selling
no man's land
Nigeria ni chem so be me 2 plots ho amene ne ko ho wia na say no awia mpo de mitimi ntra ha nadwo oso ono wo 2 plot ono Nigeria ni wo 2 plot obutumbura a wo mu twaton eta ban no tu bi kan tantem o mane anya lip service yemfa budoza ko bu ho nyina ngu na yensiesie ho na sase de be
yemfa enye
akọ se de ni better market bia o mo to ne ma okwan ho market bia no wa ye
yensi edwa bi nsi o kama
obade obi ye de edwa kra na these criminals they don't know the difference between market and because
but at least a very decent
kaka me say yemfa military for nko ho nyenko barracks ho
na bujumura ki 20 every barracks bako yini soldier force ha bujumura ki 20 go si barracks bujumura ka si esen ye mu hontumu ni enji fanya bibi foforo
ben now
when they don't have the land they can stay there they will not sit on the bare land
but the other thing is
so container de bia ko ayi old father man
they go to go house go dey here
but when him say the other thing so they say if those young men Ghana for say wo ko clear ho ebu ho nyina tugu wuntimi nkum that come dey yanko bia yes you cannot kill them in what you've done they say we relocate you more free ho and how do we in the long term going forward no deal with your youth na akwa astray nioma ben na ama youth no yes adie no mo and I think fundamentally
we can see a solution
you are looking at the bigger picture
and they say who ko bu ho to go wi a youth no move if you na akoba before na eken omutire ho mpasampasa wanya tramol anoma ho ntimi how do we deal with that issue no and no na say you deal with that and they be ameka say your value systems are break it down because the family we so mu nyina wa abusuya
bia wa abusuani
abusuya no say na yetete sa nkwala no asori a okọ mosque a okọ what training your educational system training it saying nipa nankasa nso the orientation at the saying get rich quick attitude because and the Uber Camry unregistered DV no team speed as a real thing now you one there value systems not break it down because me the say who treat DV car police ni edge now when you know what you police car di wachia aba cross wa ma wo car edge na police what's free car ni me bounce one way you to police for no to the extent say police ni ba akokra dodge e kwose obi kiosk what chase na akwa ko bonituo ekono
let's find out obi let's find out ye kan nyina no say obuoni ni die wo ho a o he say the branch is here and say one oni through ema police and only obuoma police so let's find out say die enso na akofa sa na ba
so boy see how come asemi and you woni mu no so sinde wo wiase o tramo a wonom apetesia wonom wi a wasia oni ti sa kan ni mu police
Jim FM
o ya no ma o and you woni ni so no just say as o yi film na bra bonya say film wona adwi mu as a commando film no won yi e tu ka say bia yanko say na debi sankrofo no dey exist debi on be wo criminals America kromo
but there was here orient you at least we should try say ye person ye twi omo free no ma bi
and ye equip police no more me problem no papa nko say bulletproof gra de ko say
no omo nyina omo say bulletproof
you
see because they shoot the boy
they don't know how to shoot they just shoot so it's likely they shoot your chest or probably
and we equip police ni we obadi ye equip police ni we now youth no ya equip police ya ko yi o ma free what say the OB can o mo free ho no e dey on be ko be for somebody needs to pay the price obi so bebre etidie na
fundamentally we have to deal with
said ya be ya no man na wo ka say e wo mu no ye betimi ayi afri o mu no ma ye sonko
rehabilitation
now her obi the last time you be cast as
rehabilitation center
that be
individual
that be it's about indibi
tobo
indibi na ho de say
minim sa aban obi but minim say individuals obi
but unim ade am person be
do we have a youth policy?
I know we do.
Where is it?
I know we do. Yeah, me person say say ye be be phone lines. Me nim say Budumburam fo bebre na 8 ye yen. And e bia won so what na Budumburam da what na Kasoa da. Share with us your experiences with Sir Emrantie and the general situation in that part of our country. In the phrase 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, me ba chon wan here.
Pastor family Lydia, me first Mancron Junction.
Mancron Junction no wan.
Between Konyako and then Bogas.
Oh, okay. Okay, and we are familiar with the area. You can answer me.
Yeah, me Konyako hospital wo pa. Enye Ghana for no kwa Liberia for na kaka. Ezia udu one ma. We ni nyama mo ye wo ho nye nyume no wo da hospital wo admit kwa na. Put me in that. If obi ka any omudiri ho mo fe market because market no kwa ko no eya omu ko se ho no nti omudiri ho mo pa soja so en ko se ho no
yo yanso ye da se papa ma yen hwe another person and so good morning me ba chon hwan ni
mpata me di Kenneth Abbey
me enti
me che program be ba me che sanya breku nana ne kasa no na or cancer police stations that were around and doors. And ba kwa number maybe someone some police station view estate view of our friend Blue Rose police station room. Me who say a police for a year more year juma. And also no omuka who say let's just say our police station and no far we be into me found call and I say they can't operate and I said they can't work together with the people at the back by friends camp on now.
Okay.
Because they are also close. That police station is also close to the camp. Blue Rose Estate. Who do triple X? Who left side? Who call estate? In my first entrance now, there's a police post there. But police for no more operative.
Okay, Minas, I think you raised an interesting point. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, me bacho hwani.
Mike oni Kaswa.
Mike, me and you.
Obi, o share Liberia camp na. In fact, oko ho enyumra on. But do ho within the camp near from Adom Nsem gym. Na nyama ekoso ho no. I think say
Adom Nsem gym.
Adom Nsem gym ankasa. Just say o share young girls any mranti wa nyama omo ye ho na obi ya asefem. You can't even be there for even just a minute. So police force say indeed they want to work na enye ye padia. They should be like the people for a period of 1 month. No more steady place now sanebia they will take any action they will do because at the end of the day papa foreigners now does no honor enye.
Me na say good morning.
Good morning Obi.
Me ba cho hwan na menya no yi.
Me di kojo me fefi Budumbram.
Kojo me enti o.
Obi, ohina small candidate can crack akra, but Nigeria for no omuni camp hospital to because omo rent private houses. Just opposite new sites maybe. And then what they are doing is really, really, really bad. Cocaine we na dey na almost cocaine. What they opa me na mani opa take them. I'll show you all those places or more. I'm to me rent to full house. I'm going to be about 7, 8 no sim. Then this cyber fraud. That is what they do.
In the mea membrana quachre me home.
What therefore na me the me Budumbram. Just pick my number and call me. Me number call around. Police phone, most of them they are very much aware of what is going on. There's a particular house petrol team crack me back. No oma bejiska. Me nim na mekana.
Wow.
Me na me no de opa. Just take my number. No around. Just call me. I'll go show you.
Me ba me akọ. Why?
Mate.
Unia obi antimi ma me ameba me yakọ. Dwaso Nsem so ne wa Adom 106.3 FM. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ni?
Dey ne papa ya o. Adodo na femi settlement yo. Am ka tifi sek man be keni mu ha.
Mami ntio.
Ya me sham papa se mama kan. Na mi ji agye pa ma Labelia camp. Oh, honey ya tu odi se honey Labelia camp. Ndi se azi se bi Labelia fon ko anya Labelia fon ko o. Ghana fon so yo hobby. Na dey ya fon hobby che se honey camp bi a. Criminals ana che se ekogwo no mo. Je be se o man panin ona ba de na mi sha papa. O ka se mi e de honey the higher party and ka be papa ya juna na the higher party company that ka be boy papa job company and me ya o tu na mo because they are only cost no anwa di o anwa di a platform boy ho ban and you call me na yet me for e dey le boy ho ban na me sham bye
Yeah, that's it. We pick a final call now for you. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Me ba cho hwan ni?
Sam Joe.
Joe kasafre hin.
Me kasafre kaswa.
Joe me ntio.
In fact, Ghana kwa kasa me yemu bi wo aye pasem so atem. Wa ebu wo ha obekọ when we say I say you report ma forces for no me take out of we now so with the musulman koka no bi aka se me na me ye. Ibi na ye so kan ba se ye hu bibi na enye na yakoka te so bi a ade we e ko so na enye na e bi o ha be ba no se na mpanyinfo bu be bi say so penyi na ye bunanka repo a ye kanika ho ndi na ye so ye waso bi because yanye watchman ama yankasa ye hu a ebedu ba bi na ebi ton ye nyina ebi o mayin oh
Mame na semenua ye da se papa nyame nhira omo amutimi frɛ ye nyina emre ntia wo se ye hwɛ na ye de esi but obade anya message bi
or your police near what time the person boss I say
yeah.
I said, trust me, there's more to this issue than you guys are discussing. Honestly, some of our police leaders are bad. Who register these Game Boy specials for them? Who secures them when there's an issue? I say, I am with C2 MTTD, and you will be amazed how a senior police officer will blast you for effecting an arrest of these boys.
Of some of these boys.
Just I said, I don't know, I can't be a what system anymore. Approach for never a bomb who pine. It's a moment to me, and young one must me have struck from me, Kukranwa. Police ni odi machin
betimi a jam.
Approach for now, so we didn't approach for so
and meme the empone say where do because Osha car na not just a trio egu car ni.
Yeah.
And if they are registered guns guys no echo registered to you anyway. And omo registered to you 90 ha no because in the US unim say omo gun laws no different from omo dey a bit relaxed and the ultimi enye to you be home no he say no mo hwe ha we dey amanfo beko akoye mental checks and dey ade ansan dey amount and dey oh matometio ya manya license and one now say dabi o hwe ni pan temperament and say you man pass records and all of that
we need to grow this Canada yes I register to mama so kunipa no mnya kita tuo ayare me say small boy we wanna ko bi the car boot
na wa yitu
omo to spa keke no akotwitu spa keke no akotwitu spa omo to no akotwitu
enti a systemic problem. Yes, we might have problems with the police, but I don't think we necessarily have bad police officers. Yeah, we're a very bad system and when the producers have bad police officers no from omo training recruitment training to nipanako ground tewie na oye adwuma the conditions of service and then you know kabom na developers are bad system no and na me nya
MP bi akọ abaye MP ya say osifa mabusu afọ ko police so on back no what twe person ko police so on adwene de ko obi timi ka say me campaign wo ko police ti pa na nya wo mu no problem no
and yes bad system produce bad police officers who are very, very heavily under-resourced. Anti police for resources any home bulletproof vest and then the yakra bulletproof vest over 4,000 or so. Baba in this day and age. You know, it's sad. But I am Yahuni say, you know, pen poma subrena and science and kwankosibio. If it means pull it down that camp, yen redevelop your assassin, and also make sure going forward, no, youth, no, free hono. what other inclusive policies never to engage these youth. Now Monsai Enko Bossa Abrano Ebio Dwaso Nsem Sone ewo Adom 106.3 FM. No pay me can say ebia uno be free say this is just another radio program. But for us the opportunity to lead the national conversation. In the end, you know, yeah, she say nioma ehia wo na ehia me no ye be pe ho pomasi bre. Dwaso Nsem Sone wa Adom ye ba na ye pese ye san di nkomo bi. You can't send Bebre now for housing or at the heart of Saudi because we youth Bebre what's our camp on now. Bebre need die papa them. You don't know nya found no who say oh how your base. I neighbor to me akwakoshe oh baby I know akoshe a man for that kiosk mu and any shoe shine boys edi nkomo nipa nan egu kiosk ba ko mu e won kran ha. Ain't at the heart of this a housing problem. On mine of 30 million people, your housing deficit of close to 2 million housing units. 2 million. In the nipa bebrena ni baby papa di wontito. Enra ye hu se man panyia be de etire. Akwa kate sort for a project bi ye be see 100,000 housing units. Really, it's also a problem now. 100,000 a drop in an ocean by a good step. Beyond that, you see share other district assemblies, municipal assemblies, metropolitan assemblies, models are nyina adopted to fix our housing problem no den. And then you see the house and home komo rent ebeba adan availability beba and the real estate companies and the charges e guso ne ade you see the housing and komo and ano pay e wo Dwaso Nsem so Adom 106.3 FM tie we ma meba Jonathan Tei Doku DC ewo Ningo Pram. Daniel Ohene Edu project manager for planned city extension project ewo Ningo Pram. And we would want to use that as a basis near the D and comment generally about housing in our country. Stay with us. Yeah, but it's here.